Hey there, fine people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some polishes from Color Club. That's, I think, Forsyth Cosmetic Group must be Color Club because that's who I ordered from. So. What did I get? Let's see. Alright. First one is That's the Spirit. And I saw this on Instagram, PBL Beauty. I'll look it up and link it in the comments. She did a manicure with this and it was so gorgeous. It was back around Halloween, but oops, the brush is sticking. And that blue with the golden shimmer, just gorgeous. I've been all loving these multi-chromes with that warm shimmer and just beautiful. So this is like navy blue with an orangey copper glow. Gorgeous. I think everything I ordered was a multi-chrome. The Future of Color. Let's see, it says what color it is. Another multi-chrome. This is All Wrapped Up, and I think this was a limited edition. And this is like a green, and I see like a magenta or pinky shift. There's lots of aqua micro flakes, micro glitters in there. Oh, that's really pretty. Let's see. And then these are all apparently holographic. We've got cash only. This is like a green and gold multi-shimmer, multi-chrome, coppery maybe. Reminds me a little bit of Firewall from Mooncat, but maybe more bronzy. Burnt out. Looks like a magenta to copper, some blue maybe. Beautiful, look at that shimmer. And finally, Carrot Cake. It's a peachy with a green shimmer. Let's see. I'm just gonna do some real quick swatches. Cat hair. I was practicing the magnetic heart. Finally got it. It shows up a little bit here, but I really got it to show up on that one. That copper glow in there, gorgeous. Definitely gonna need 2 coats of that. And then, so that's the Spirit, and the limited edition all wrapped up. Very dark green, all that aqua glitter. Shifts from green to brown. I love green nail polish. It's my favorite nail polish color. I think if you look at the color wheel, red is the opposite of green. My hands tend to be very red, so I think green is quite a nice complementary. Oops, what color is this? Cash only. I think green is very complementary to red, or helps, you know, neutralize it, so I think that looks good on me. Ooh, look at that. Very bronze with a slight warmth to it. Not super shifty, but beautiful nonetheless. In the bottle I'm getting green, so maybe I just need more extreme angles, or that, okay. Yeah, at the extreme angles I'm getting a little bit of green, but I think I need a second coat because it's too thin on the apex of this nail here. Burnt out. Oh, this is definitely going to need a second coat. Yeah, I can't describe that yet. And finally, carrot cake. That is gorgeous. That green. Very pretty. The green and the peach. I love it. Okay, let's do a second coat. that's the Spirit. Trying to make no brush strokes, but apparently my hands don't work this morning. Oh, look at that. Reminds me a little bit of old denim, you know, the yellowish cast that old denim can have. Love it. Gorgeous. And then I think cash only. I don't remember. Oops. Uh-oh. Oh, this is... Here we go. Okay. All wrapped up. The limited edition shade. Oh, I love that sparkle. This bronze one was cash only. On the swatch stick, the green is really subtle. And burnt out. This might need 3 coats. And finally, carrot cake. I'm going to give this a second to dry so I can do a 3rd coat. I really like this brush. It's not too thick. It's got a good paddle shape. So that's like a red with a subtle green shift. Which one is your favorite? Let's see. Of these, that's the Spirit and Carrot Cake are my two favorites so far, but I haven't worn them yet, so, and I mean, I love all of them. They're gorgeous. But so far, this one is definitely my favorite. That's the Spirit. What's your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so you get notified when I upload new videos. Have a great day.